Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Mehboob Tech Official. So in this video, we will discuss how to do basic setting of the Facebook page. Yes, if you create a Facebook page first time in your life and not know what to do, basic setting of the Facebook page, complete beginners. So watch complete full watch video without skipping. This video is going to be very important for my friends of the YouTube viewers. Complete tutorial, complete method without skipping goes to your period. Firstly, open Facebook on your device. Click on Facebook icon, open it. After it opening, you can see that my desktop show on your screen. The next procedure, what next procedure and what to do setting remain my videos. I will tell you complete tutorial. Click on three dot at the top of the page. After going there, you can see that pages icon. Click on pages icon. So I have reached as a demo. Click on Facebook pages. After clicking on these pages, remain my video to complete for tutorials. So goes to your profile page. This is appeared one message to switch this account. Click on switch to switch this account on your wait a moment to switching your my account on Facebook page. Once we have reached Facebook pages, so after reaching there, you can see that my desktop show on your screen. Click on save the setting and click on profile icon to reach their setting. After going their profile icons, click on edit profile at the top of the page. After clicking this, you can add profile picture, cover photo and some other setting. How to do some setting, very important setting. Don't skip this video. In this time I will complete tutorial, full tutorial. So remain my videos. If you are a beginner, not know what to do setting, complete for watch video. Enter your bio, enter your detail and featured hobbies. Enter your hobby, add you can any hobby to add your, and at the last point add your link. So we are change your setting. Enter your edit. After edit, select your cover photo, select your profile picture from your gallery and selected and click on save to save this image on your profile picture. After saving this, and scroll down and click cover photo, edit your cover photo, enter your edit to cover photo and then so go to your bio, click on bio to edit bio, change your bio or write more bio, enter your bio. And in this video, in this page, I will help you solve tech problems. So how to solve tech problems, and if you want to add more lines in this bio, in your bio to can save your settings, you can add more lines. So into your all tech problem, PROBLEM tech, PROBLEM problem, space solve, SOLVED solved, to affordable OW follow me, FB pages, Facebook pages. So after writing this, click on save at the top of the page to save this bio. After very moments, this page is saved. You can see that bio is saved, bio is added. So the next procedure, we can see add detail. Scroll down and edit your detail, click on it. After clicking, enter your category, content info and basic info. Save the setting and click on category. After clicking on pen icon, search this any category of your page related to your page. Click on search and select category. So one category selected and the another category selected. Click on pen icon and search TECH tech. So you can see that science and tech. I click on science and tech to select this category and then save it. Click on save icon to save this category. So and click on another category, search icon, and click tech, and you can see that information technology company. Click on information technology company to select your category of the Facebook page. Click on it and save the setting. Click on save to save this category on your Facebook page. So after going there, scroll down. So search another category if you want another NAR. So content info, enter your content info and enter your Gmails and enter your live address. So basic info, add. So after reaching setting this, enter your hobby, any hobby you have reached. So if you have a hobby, click on add to add your hobby featured, try it. So links, at the last point is links. If you want a YouTube channel, if you make a YouTube channel and or a website, if you create a website or a YouTube channel, click on add to add your link of the YouTube channel or into your YouTube channel link or a website link to add your link. Click on it. So thanks for watching video. If you are a new user of my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see new video of my channel. So thanks for watching video.